My time in Lloyd has been in an online setup. However, I'm stunned and glad with the quality of learning opportunities that I've received.
Lloydians sharing their learning experience during pandemic times.
I'm 𝐒𝐿𝐷𝐵. I'm a BLLB first year student at Lloyd Law College.
Hello everyone, this is 𝐒𝐿𝐷𝐵 from Lloyd Law College.
Pallavi Shukla, BLLB second semester student.
Myself, 𝐿𝐷𝐵 Saraswat, a student from Lloyd Law College.
My name is Ananya Vai and I am a student of Lloyd Law College, Greater Noida. It was a disappointment, true, that physical classroom teaching could not be conducted, as everyone awaits their college experience eagerly, and it is an enriching experience for teachers and students alike. However, online learning was not a complete disappointment. When I graduated from high school, I was a person who was not comfortable in public speaking and hence did not interact in classes much. However, the online learning platforms gave me an opportunity for public speaking, even though it was set in a virtual platform.
So far, due to pandemic, I have attended only online classes. The faculty is well versed and well qualified and tries to clarify our concepts and doubts. The sessions are interactive and the duration of classes are also suitable.
Our faculty members have been really supportive all the while. From addressing all my doubts to answering all the mails if I fail to clear my doubt during the class.
Apart from just the course-based learning or the theory-based learning, we've got so much more than that. I have got the chance to interact with judges, lawyers, advocates, and those sessions have been really inspiring.
I participated in Christ University Parliamentary Debate held in February 2021. It was my first ever debate that I participated in, and it gave me huge confidence boost as a public speaker, and I realized that public speaking was actually meant for me, which was completely ironical to what I had believed earlier.
Law as a career has a wide range of scope and the effect of law on society is imperative.
Director Sir and Deputy Director Sir have tried their level best to provide best of opportunities to their students.
It has helped me broaden my scope of interest and my perspectives.
This college has provided me a lot of opportunities for which I am grateful and I am looking forward for more opportunities in future.
Lloyd is awarded a Swift Millat Institution Excellence Award 2018 by the Honorable Shri Mr. 𝐿𝐷𝐵 Naidu Sir, the Vice President of India. We are ranked among the 10 best law colleges in India by the Week, India Today, CSR and Outlook consistently from 2018 to 2021. Your one step can change your life, and therefore being a part of such a remarkable institution is a matter of pride and joy. Thank you.
Lloyd Law College. Earn a career, not just a degree.